You are watching a video tutorial on how to reload the library. The New Wave automation system has the ability to reload the library if you have made any changes directly to the library folder. If you go to the library screen, this is the files that the New Wave automation currently recognizes as currently there. Let's go ahead and go to the library folder. And to do this, you'll go to the Start menu, click on Computer, open up the C drive, the New Wave, and then open up the library folder. It is highly recommended to never make any changes directly out of this library folder. The reason being is that the New Wave doesn't recognize the changes that have been made. So let's say we're going to move this file out. We're going to go against the rules and we'll move it out of the library folder. Now if we go back to the New Wave and go back to the library, we'll notice at the very bottom here, it still thinks that that 80001-3 is currently in the library folder, but obviously at this point it is not. It's best to actually delete files directly from the program here. But let's say we did that and we need to refresh the library. To do that, just simply click on Load Library. The key thing to remember about loading the library, though, is that it will interrupt audio going through the New Wave system. So in other words, if you're playing the automation player or you're doing anything live at the moment, it is going to interrupt and cause audio skips, and it'll sound bad. So you'll want to actually be playing a CD or be playing something directly, but not through the New Wave when you're doing this. So go ahead and click Yes, and it'll give you the library size, and it'll tell you if there's any errors, and it'll go through. And now you'll notice when we go to the bottom that 80001-3 is gone. So that is not the typical way to make changes, but if you have to, you can load the library just by clicking on the Load Library button. Another possible way to do it is simply by turning off the New Wave software and then bringing it back up, in which it'll come back with the correct information. And this concludes the video tutorial for loading the library.